An interesting new multiverse cryptocurrency project called Robotera will enable users to build vibrant, lifelike virtual reality experiences. In the game, players transform into robots with the job of rebuilding the world in their likeness. Players can connect with other players, own land, build structures, design and release games, collect awards, and form their own economy while on the adventure. But before we continue our video, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon now. The cost of Robot was $4.72 during the same time period 1 week ago. Over the past week, it has decreased by 13.02%, and it is currently trading at $3.92. In point of fact, Robot's pump rate has increased by 1.7% over the course of the past 24 hours. The sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is slightly pessimistic at the moment. However, the outlook for the long term is bullish, and it is possible that Robot will reach $184.29 in 2023. At the time that this article was written, the total supply of Robot that was currently in circulation was $21.449.35, while the market cap of Robot remained at $840.053. The project's utility token, Taro, is now conducting a pre-sale. What is Robotera? In the intriguing new universe Robotera, robots are entrusted with remaking Planet Taro in a dystopian scenario. Users can own property, develop the world of their own, and gain cash from the secondary economy in this building game that resembles a sandbox. Users must buy a Robotera NFT, which acts as their avatar in the game when they initially log in order to take part in the multiverse. Due to its connections to other worlds and ability to support pre-existing NFT societies, the Robotera multiverse is regarded as a progression in the metaverse realm. When a person owns the property, they can, for instance, construct intriguing establishments and structures like theme parks, concert halls, museums, schools, and much more. Basically anything they can construct in the real world. The multiverse is supported by extensive literature regarding Planet Taro, a lovely planet that underwent a catastrophic disaster. Some human, brain-equipped robots did, however, survive, and it is now their responsibility to restore the world. Robotera can be proud of a wide variety of gaming elements and NFTs that work together to form the full ecosystem. The game's robots are the primary NFTs. They are purchased by players in order to gain entry to the universe, and they have a variety of distinct factions, each with unique advantages. Each participant in Robotera has a unique identity within the NFT, which acts as their digital identity. The NFT also includes a user-owned 3D model that can be used outside the Robotera multiverse. Land NFTs are another type of NFT, which are land plots that permit users to construct on top of them. There is a large variety of terrain with various features, geography, and resource availability. If a player owns a robot NFT or buys land NFTs from the market, they can acquire land by airdrops. Robot companion NFTs make up the final group of NFTs. This feature gives players a helpful ally in the robots of Planet Taro, who help them in their struggle for survival and advancement. Users can customize the appearance of the robot companions through the editor after they have been created using the machine component workbench. The option to design your own territory is one of Robotera's primary gameplay elements. Players are free to act any way they like on their continent on Planet Taro. This covers tasks like mining, building, generating energy, producing goods, and playing. In addition, there are no restrictions on the kinds of constructions that can be built by players. The DAO is another aspect of Robotera. On Planet Taro, there is no centralized authority. Instead, a community organization is built by all users. Players are then able to suggest fresh implementation plans for their factions and decide on their future course. Each group will also have a manager, who must pledge Taro tokens in order to cast a vote. Each faction's manager has the authority and duty to determine how their force will evolve in the future. Users of the faction can vote to cancel their status if they act inappropriately. The opportunity to earn money while playing Robotera is the final aspect of the game to be discussed. The project staff wants to develop a seamless P2E experience. Why purchase Taro tokens? Purchasing the Taro token is one of the finest methods to learn more about the Robotera Planet Taro project. The main utility token for the project will be Taro, which is needed to power Robotera's economy, necessary to take part in the metaverse. Robotera will profit from growing popularity and most likely appreciate in value if it begins to catch on. The Taro token, which will be used to support all game transactions, is necessary to take part in the universe. The utility of Taro will rise along with the explosive growth of Robotera, and more users will need it. Invest in the emerging metaverse with the most potential for growth. One of the most thrilling metaverses to be revealed in 2023 is said to be Robotera. The metaverse sector is expanding and is projected to be valued more than $10 trillion by 2030, despite the faltering Bitcoin economy. Robotera and its Taro token stand to gain from the industry's expansion thanks to the rising value if they successfully realize the intriguing metaverse concept. In addition, Robotera is set in a dystopian world where robots are entrusted with remaking the Earth in the user's likeness. Due to its unique architecture, this kind of metaverse has not yet been tried but is likely to become more popular. Price of Taro tokens. A multi-stage presale for the Taro token is presently underway, with prices rising as the tokens sell out. 3 stages will make up the presale, with prices per token beginning at 2 cents. Since the project's hard cap isn't too big, the token sale will probably sell out entirely, much sooner than expected. Early investors are probably going to make more money. However, if Taro launches on a top-tier cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or OKX, every investor in the presale would almost certainly make a tidy profit. How to buy Taro token. The Taro utility coin, which powers Robotera, is currently up for pre-sale. The in-game economy and the Robotera multiverse will be powered by the token, which will serve as its foundation. As each stage of the Taro token presale is sold out, the price of the remaining Taro tokens increases. As a result, investors who make investments in the early phases will enjoy lower prices and immediate profits once the token is introduced to major cryptocurrency exchanges. Conclusion. The newest multiverse, Robotera, links NFT communities to a metaverse that is always expanding. The initiative will improve the sector and add a fresh perspective to the oversaturated metaverse market by offering an enjoyable and welcoming playing experience for all parties concerned. Robotera is destined to eventually become a very popular metaverse with broad appeal. The aforementioned guide should assist you in getting started with buying Taro tokens, which will run the entire Robotera ecosystem. You'll get access to the tokens after the presale is over. So do you want to invest in Robotera? Do share your views with us in the comments and subscribe to our channel to learn more about cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.